In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram account private. Now just log into your Instagram account, and if you have a business account, you can just switch it to a personal account. After you switch to a personal account, you can just come to this your profile page and click on those lines on the top right corner. Then if you scroll down at this option of account privacy, you can see on the right it is written public. Now we want to switch it to make it private. Now just click on account privacy, then click on that button at the top, and then click switch to private. Now by doing that, your account will be switched to private. That's it, guys. That's how you can make Instagram account private. And guys, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.